Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the latest update from the National Hurricane Center on Hurricane Delta. Delta continues to strengthen as it's still a Category 3 hurricane. Maximum winds, however, are now up to 120 miles per hour as the storm continues to move towards the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Here's the very latest forecast from the Hurricane Center, which is very similar to the 4 o'clock advisory, as it looks like we will see landfall tomorrow evening, if not late tomorrow afternoon, very close to Lake Charles as a Category 2 storm. The storm will then cross I-49 near Alexandria, probably sometime shortly after midnight, and then cross Interstate 20 very close to Monroe as we work our way towards the 7 a.m. hour Saturday morning. And then by the time we get to 7 p.m. Saturday, it should be in the northern sections of Mississippi. This is still close enough to give us those impacts, so in case you haven't heard, this is what we're looking at as far as the timing of the rainfall is. We'll see the worst of it here in the Arklatex Friday night. You can see tonight we'll see a few scattered showers lingering across especially the southern sections of the area. As we go through tomorrow, rain persisting over the south will become heavier late in the day as Delta gets closer to the Louisiana coast, but you can see the uptick in the intensity here across East Texas and northwest Louisiana. By the time we get to 6 o'clock Friday evening, the heaviest of the rain will fall across the eastern half of the area Friday night, and then as the center begins to move away, we'll see the rain rapidly depart during the day Saturday from west to east, as any leftover showers should end quickly. Probably most of the rain we see Saturday will be in the morning. How much rain? Still looks like we will see the heaviest closer to the track of Delta, down towards Natchitoches and Manny, 3 to 5 inches, especially across the southern sections of Natchitoches Parish. Could see 1 inch to 2 inches in Shreveport, but notice how models really do drop off the amount of rainfall further to the northwest. Very possible you could see less than 1/2 inch in the Texarkana area. We do have a flash flood watch as a result, which is in effect for Sabine and Natchitoches parishes, and wind also going to be a concern. A tropical storm warning still in effect for Sabine and Natchitoches parishes, basically for late tomorrow and tomorrow night as the center gets closer. This is what we're looking at as far as the wind. And again, sustained winds of 40 miles per hour plus where we have those tropical storm warnings. We can see gusts here. We will see anywhere from 30 to over 50 miles per hour. It looks like the best chance of seeing gusts in excess of 50 will be closer to the center, down towards Natchitoches, Sabine parishes, maybe Bienville parishes. But you can see even Saturday morning, we're still going to be looking at wind gusts in that 30 to 40 mile per hour range across the area before the wind begins to die down as we go through Saturday. Now, once Delta departs, we will dry out Sunday and Monday, looking at a cold front which will arrive Monday night. Ahead of the front, highs back close to 90. Behind the front, back to normal with highs close to 80. Overnight lows should return to the 50s for the last half of next week. So again, a summary: Delta continuing to strengthen. Max winds now up to 120 miles per hour. Landfall expected tomorrow evening, very close to Lake Charles. It will cross I-20 east of Monroe as we look ahead to Saturday morning. The worst for the Arklatex will be Friday night, when we will be looking at wind gusts of 30 to over 50 miles per hour, as well as 2 to 5 inches of rain over the southeast half of the area.